Today we are recreating Tate McRae's stunning Met Gala red carpet makeup. I love how glowy and bronzy her skin is, the subtle pop of gold on the eyes. I really love how natural her base looks, so I'm just going to do a light layer of foundation with this brush. I'm going to skip contour and just do a light bronzer. The Dior bronzing balm is perfect for this because it's not too harsh. I'm placing this in all of the areas that I would contour and bronze. So cheeks, forehead. Her nose contour is more precise, so I'm going to switch to a smaller detailed brush. Go down the sides of the nose, and then I'm just going to take the brush across the nose here. I'm gonna put the cream blush on the back of my hand first and then completely coat the brush. Putting it on your hand first gives you more control of the product. Now we can go in and get the perfect blend. This is shade Mimi from Westman Atelier. It's one of my favorite neutral blushes. It doesn't look like she has a ton of concealer on, so I'm also gonna put it on my hand. Same process with a brush. I'm gonna start in the inner corners here where I have the most discoloration, and I'm gonna take that over the lid and underneath the eyes here. Also made sure to use a shade that's as close to my natural skin tone as possible. Now I need to set everything into place, rubbing off the excess on my hand. This Huda Cherry Peach, it has a little bit of a brightening effect to it. I'm switching now to a translucent powder and just tapping in the areas that I get oily. Add a little bit more of color to the blush. I'm just tapping this on top of the cream one. This is diffused heat and it has a little bit of a sparkle to it. It's gonna give us a nice glow. I'm gonna add some setting spray to really bring back the moisture to the face. We're gonna stay on the gold theme and use a gold highlight. I'm gonna put this down the bridge of the nose. I'm gonna use my hand and pop this onto the high points of the cheek. I'm going to start filling in the brows and focus this on the bottom part. I'm just gonna go in and emphasize some of my beauty marks. For the eyes, I'm taking Chestnut by Makeup by Mario, and I'm just gonna place this onto the outer part of the eye, blending this out underneath the brow and connecting the nose contour. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna keep all of the darker eyeshadow on the outer half of the eye here. Taking this brown eyeliner and I'm just flicking out a little baby wing. With my nail, I'm just going to drag the wing out. The lower lash line, I'm just applying this to the outer part of the eye and stopping in the middle. I'm just taking a darker brown eyeshadow and I'm smudging out the outer corners. To really make the eyeliner pop, I'm gonna add a white liner to the lower lash line. So take it above here. I'm gonna do 2 layers for the inner corner. First layer is this liquid gold liner. I'm just going over that with a powder highlight. Lashes are curled and I'm just adding a coat of mascara. Adding a little bit of mascara to the outer lower lash line. The lashes, I just added a couple of these individuals on the edges. Now I'm just marrying them together with my mascara. Love how natural her lips are. So I'm just gonna go in with the Rhode lip contour and just lightly contouring my lips. I'm just adding a little bit of my concealer to the center of the lips. Now adding Makeup by Mario Perfect Pink. All right, you guys, here is the final look. Let me know what you guys think of the glam and whose look was your favorite at the Met.